Yeah.
Let's go see.
Make your steering straight and tiny bit turn to the right. Because you just go tiny bit too much to the left. That's it.
Yep. Yeah, it's within the bay.
Happy with that?
Yeah, it's a bit more forward, so I probably could have stopped a bit earlier.
Exactly. Okay, good. How you finding it? Motorway lesson was easy or parking was easy?
I think motorway was definitely easier.
Motorway is easy, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, that's what most people think as well. Yeah. You're not driving. You're driving at really low speed. So why is finding it harder?
Because it's not normal. Like, you're not normally driving at such a slow speed.
But do you see? This is why I do the parking really at the end.
Yeah.
If I try to do this at an earlier stage,
Yeah, it's a big difference.
it's a big difference, and that's the reason why we're going to struggle.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the reason why the people find it difficult to say, okay, it's not normal.
Yeah.
Okay, it's just not normal. Okay, fine. Now forward time. Ooh. Okay, forward parking. We're just going to catch up with things. That's what we're going to make it easier for us to understand what's wrong.
Yeah.
Forward. Okay. One, because it's developing from, it's developing from the reversing, so that makes it easier to talk about it as well.
Yeah.
When we do the reverse parking,
Yeah.
we turn our wheel, front wheel move, and the back one get push.
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah.
Okay. When we do the forward parking, we're driving into it, your front one moves and back one follows.
Yeah.
That's the main difference.
Yeah.
Okay, this is why we need to change our adjustments to our parking, and then we do it differently than the the reversing
Yeah.
parking. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, that's reason clear. All right. When we come for the forward parking and we do the forward left or forward right, we have to stand on the opposite directions. If we stand on the middle and want to do the forward left or forward right, we're not going to be able to end up where we wanted to end up.
Yeah.
Okay, because our front wheel follows us. Okay, it's one of the interesting things. The car just put in the pictures in different directions. Okay, but the car face should be in here.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what we're working in. So let's say we're working on the forward right.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're working the forward right, we come and stop on the opposite side of the directions because we want to go on up there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not stopping in the middle anymore. We're now going furthest to the left hand side as possible. When you come furthest to the left hand side, we go very close to the curb, basically close to the line. We think about it. If there was a car, we don't want to hit into them, but the close as possible we go. So that's the point. We're going to keep to the left hand side and continue going straight.
Yeah.
Until we now see the next reference post called F1.
Yeah.
F mean forward and 1 mean
The first bit.
first line.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at this. We continue going until the F1 is lined up with any one of the line.
Yeah.
And that's the way we do the turn.
Okay.
Okay, because the back one follows, not the push. And that's the reason why we're doing the solo-wing turnings. Okay, because back one follows, if you do from the middle, we're not going to be able to end up where we want to end up. So what we do, we'll come a bit more to the left hand side, keep going forward until they're lined up with F1 and full lock to the right. This time you'll see the car going to very swing outside. Okay,
Yeah.
doesn't matter.
Okay.
Let the car going. Wait for the car to getting straight. Once the car getting straight, that's the time we're going to make it straight. And this time we can't really rely on the cameras. We have to look from the front in the windows because the car going forward.
Yeah.
And once the car is lined up with the line, that's the time we're going to come to the stop.
Yeah.
Okay, so slightly interesting, but that's why we're going to do it. If you want to do the forward left, that's a forward right, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can do the forward left. You go to the opposite side on the wrong side of the road, and then you line up with F1 and then you full lock to the left again.
Yeah.
Okay, happy with that?
Yeah, so you're just turning to the side where you want to go.
That's it, but from the opposite side rather than in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, so we do the forward left or forward right first?
Left.
Okay, so in that case, making a move and keep it to your right hand side.
Okay.
Slowly, good, and keep more to the right hand side as possible. Okay, we're not going in the bay, but close as possible. Keep going forward and keep turning. Keep going forward. We are getting a bit too much. Keep going. I'll help you. Okay, we let in the front tire to go close by, and then we take it out.
Okay.
That's it. That's the stop now. What do you think now?
Yeah.
Close enough, but we're not going to hit anyone if he's parked up, wasn't it? Agree?
Yeah.
And that's the closest you're going to get on the right hand side as well as on the left hand, depending where you're parking.
Yeah.
Okay. Now keep going forward until your F1 lined up with any one of the line.
Okay.
This F1 lined up with this car?
Well, from where I'm sat, it
Okay.
could go a bit forward.
Surprising. Okay. Keep going forward. Keep going forward. I'll help you with
Okay.
it. Keep going forward. Okay. About in here, we want to stop. Okay. Now you're gonna say, okay, my reference no much.
No.
Okay. This is where we got number of stickers. Okay, fine. Why do you think that line is there? It's in the door lock, the front, back, forward. Whereabouts is that?
From where it looks like with the window sign on, like that's the angle.
The lock?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. That's your reference point then.
Okay, yeah.
Who cares? Were you writing F1 or F2, F3?
Just
right?
something that lines
Just
up.
something's lined up. Okay?
Okay.
So that's your reference point. Okay?
Yeah.
So at that point, we're going to do the full lock to the left and we go inside.
Yeah.
Okay? So full lock to the left. Okay? Full lock. That's it. And let's go inside. So obviously we're going to come to the drive and we're going to come and full lock to the left in here. Okay?
Yeah.
Keep going, and now I'll let you lean forward to see your car going within the line.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay. Keep going until you think you're in the middle. Not turning back yet. Just keep holding the steering wheel. Good. Keep going forward. When do you think it's straight? Look in front. That's the only reference point where you can see. Can't tell?
No.
Okay, stop. So in that case, what you see, the middle of that bay at the front, right?
Yeah.
And the middle of your car, is it lined up or is not there? Level up or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, so keep going until you think level up.
That's not too much.
Too much now?
Yeah, because I'm now moving away from that bay.
Good. So make your steering straight then. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Just straight, just straight.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Keep going forward until your mirror just past the line in the middle. Tiny bit more forward. Keep going forward. Tiny bit more. Keep going. Good. Stop now. Park, handbrake. Okay, let's go outside and have a look. So I don't understand your complaint.
Well, it's because you can't. But yeah, it's because you can't see the front, so it's a lot harder.
That's what I told you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. So this is where you really have to purely trust on your reference point.
Yeah.
Once you get the reference point right, let the car to come in and wait for the car to getting straight and make your steering straight.
Yeah.
Once you do for a couple of times and you can see it's working, it should become a belief.
Yeah.
And that's your reference point. That's a method of doing it.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you try by yourself now?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Should I reverse out or should I just?
There's more spaces in here, so that's why reverse out to the right and then take your position better.
Okay.
Start turning now. To the right, to the right. That's good. Good, good. Stop. Now going forward close by the line to do the forward left again.
There you go. That's way too fast. That's not straight.
No, what do you think? That's a straight?
No.
Look at the mirror. Is it close by?
No.
Okay, so keep going as in close by and then make your car straight. Do you need help or?
No.
Okay.
Just need to, yeah,
Fine.
judge that line.
Good, good. Looking ahead as well.
Yeah.
Where's your car going? Tiny bit more out.
A bit more
Out this way. Keep going. Keep going a bit more. That's it. Pick your car straight. There we are. Now pick any line.
Okay.
Which side?
Oh, the left side. Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't want to park next to him. I'm gonna go forward a bit more.
That's fine. Keep going. I don't mind. The whole car park is empty.
Yeah.
Slowly, that's it. There you go.
Move forward a bit more.
You're just going a tiny bit too forward. A couple of fingers back. Couple of more. That's it. There we go.
Okay. Now fully turn to the left.
Okay. More lean forward.
Okay.
That's it. We'll show you better. No, don't make it string straight yet. Just keep holding it.
A bit more.
There. Tiny bit more. Tiny bit more. Keep going. It's not straight yet. Tiny bit more. That's better. Okay.
That's way too much.
Okay. Now make your string straight and tiny bit turn to the right, because you just go tiny bit too much to the left. That's it.
Yep.
That's it. And now you're gonna swing back to the right again. Yeah.
Yep.
You're turning too much now. Just hold it there. Yeah. And over time it will fix it itself.
Okay.
That's it. Make it straight now. Straighten. That's it.
Because yeah, from the front it looks a lot closer, but then it's in your mirrors that you're like, actually no, I'm still halfway out. Yeah.
There you go. Stop.
Let's go see.
Yeah, she's learning, not me. Okay, good. What do you say?
Yeah, it's within the bay.
Happy with that?
Yeah, it's a bit more forward, so I probably could have stopped a bit earlier.
Exactly. Okay, good. Now make a note for it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me what you'd like to know as a note.
So for turning left, position as far right as you can, lining up with the line on your right hand side.
Okay.
As close as you can get without hitting someone. And then line up F1 with a bay.
Yeah.
And then once that's lined up, fully turn to the left. Once you think you're coming within the bay, and when you're turning in and you can see the bay, lean forward, and when you think you're in the middle or straight, then turn the wheel back.
Good.
And then just move forward.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay.